Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Today we are going to show you how to make colorful bouncing eggs. I have two helpers with me today. Here's Mia. You say hi.
Hi.
And Miles.
Hi.
So this is a really fun experiment and really simple. So first you put the egg in.
Black. No, first we need black.
Add your food coloring.
Now it's
And then
water.
add the vinegar.
Wow.
And make sure it covers your egg. And then you let that sit for about 48 hours. And when you're done, you will have bouncing rubber eggs. Here are some that we've had sitting in some food coloring.
Egg. It is an egg.
As you
Red.
can see, I can squish it
It's red.
and bounce them. You guys want to bounce it?
Yeah. Whoa.
Bounce it.
I love that.
It's cool, isn't it?
It's red.
See? And if you watch, oh, it popped.
Oh, it popped.
It's an egg.
The blue one popped.
All right, have fun, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we did.